These are the little kids. This is a little blue merle male. Come here, little guy. Oh my gosh, he's heavy. I don't think he's a little guy, but that face. Look at that face. He's a pretty boy. He's a chunk. He was born, well, this coming Sunday. He'll be 4 weeks old. He's 3 weeks and 2 days old. And then we got this little, is it a girl or a boy? No, you're a boy. A little chocolate merle male with blue eyes. And we got this little cutie, 8-ball. And then we got this hunk. He's a big male with blue eyes. Chocolate male. And then we got a little chocolate merle female. And she's got blue eyes. And then we got a little chocolate female with a white head. We're not sure if she's got blue eyes or not. We can't really tell yet. And then we got this little kid. Oh, the pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Hi. And he's just starting to get all active and happy and playful and loving and... What? What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? They got their legs. They're getting their legs. Hi, you gonna crawl on me? Are you gonna crawl on me? You are cute. Yes, you are beautiful too. Yes, you are. You are a beautiful girl. They're all beautiful. This is a pretty girl. White heads. She's pretty. Little chocolate girl. They're all pretty kids. They're all pretty kids.